Good morning. The number one reason good borrowers get denied and how to fix it before even applying. And every week, well qualified borrowers get denied for mortgages they should have been approved for. So, good credit, solid income, plenty of assets. But what went wrong? Well, the number one reason strong borrowers get denied, it's not credit, it's usually misalignment. And that's misalignment between documentation, timing, and lender selection. And the good news is this is completely 100% fixable before you even apply if you know what lenders are actually looking for. So, problem number one, misaligned documentation. So, different loan programs look at different proof of income for different reasons. So, you have traditional with W 2 loans and pay stubs and W 2s. Or for self employed loans, you're looking at tax returns and bank statements. Or for investor DSCR loans, you're looking at property cash flow, not personal income. And for doctor and professional loans, you're looking at employment contracts and future income. And the mistake here is that submitting the wrong documentation to the wrong lender, two wrongs don't make a right there. That's the point. But how to fix it before applying, identify which income story is strongest. So we can look at taxable incomes or deposit income or even rental cash flow, and then structure the loan around that narrative. So problem number two, timing mistakes. Borrowers can often apply right after they've changed jobs because they're excited and all that, but you probably want to let that season for a little bit. Or during a business expansion where you've been spending aggressively, or even after aggressive tax write-offs at the end of the year, or before some funds have seasoned in your accounts properly. So lenders don't just look at what you earn, but they also look at when and how consistently you earn it and your deposits and your bank statements. So the mistake could be applying too early or too late without understanding the seasoning rules. And that's easily fixed by a conversation. A strategic pre-application review can determine whether waiting 30 to 90 days is going to dramatically improve your approval odds or your pricing. It could be one or the other. Problem number three, choosing the wrong lender lane. Not all lenders are built for all borrowers. So big banks, as you might think, are a little bit more conservative. They're more a one-size-fits-all approach. They're completely tax return dependent. So multiple mortgage brokers have multiple lender lanes, which means for you as a client, more flexible underwriting, more program-specific strategy. And the mistake is walking into a single lender and assuming no means you can't get it done. So how to fix it is work with a mortgage broker who can match you to the right lender. And we offer conventional, non-QM, DSCR, bank statement, or portfolio, or even commercial loans. Before your credit's even pulled, we can talk about them. And the preventative strategy or smart strategy the borrowers use is before applying, clarify your borrower profile. So think about what's going on in your life. But choose the strongest income presentation because you'll probably know this before we will. And we can align timing with underwriting rules based off of what you're telling us. And then we can select the correct lender lane. And then we submit once with confidence and we get an approval. Win, win, win. So this approach is really going to protect your credit score without having multiple pulls, the amount of time it takes to get it done, but also the negotiation leverage that you're going to carry with a strong approval. And it also gives you rate options too. So here's the final takeaway, and that most denials aren't rejections, they're misfires. And if you fix the structure before you apply and approvals become predictable instead of stressful, and I think everybody can appreciate that. And if you want a pre-application strategy review, this is exactly what we do. My name is Bill Rapp. I'd love to talk to you further. Please visit my website, billrapponline.com, to figure out how to get a hold of me and we can talk more, okay? Take care.